Hi everybody, if you don't know me, my name is Amber and today this is part 1 of opening my unboxing. Okay. We have we're gonna talk about this more. We have lots to collect, and I hope we collect them all. Cross our fingers with no dupes, and then we're gonna start. Okay, so first, let's go. Oh, there's one. Okay, so we got a blue capsule. Ooh, we have My Melody. Y'all, all lovers of My Melody, give a round of applause. Now, we're gonna open a next one. We're gonna put this and another blue one. This is totally so cool. Okay, we're gonna see what do we have. Oh, it's another dupe. We got our first dupe, guys. Our first dupe. Okay, let's go put both of this. No sad. Don't be sad, guys. Okay, the next one. But a purple one. Okay. Let's go see what we have. And oh my god. A My Melody again. We're getting so much My Melodies. Okay, My Melody fans coming in. Okay. Get over here. Purple. Okay, so now we're gonna open the next one. Fudge. Okay, blue one again. Let's go see what we have. Ooh, Kuromi, finally a next character. Okay. Oh yeah. Also, there's a coin to activate it up to speed it a little. So here's a coin. Okay, so now we're gonna have a yellow one, a different color. What if it's You Love Him? All those shout outs to Papa Beret. What is he wearing? Guess what it is? Okay, cool. So now we're gonna get another purple and a dupe. Why do we keep getting My Melodies? There's 3 doublers. Triple. Can you guess which one is whose? I cannot, but we have triple melodies, so that's okay. Coin fell out. No. Well, we can change the coin next to this speedy one. The highest one is gonna be super fast. We have a yellow one. Okay. A dupe. Aww. least. I love Pom Pom. And they don't look that much similar. Do you know what's the difference? Okay, let's go. It doesn't look very different. The coin, it always falls off. Oh well, we're not gonna put it anymore. We have a new one if you love the one and only Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty, it's so cool. Okay, look at this. Okay, on with the next one. Hey, you green one. This is the last one. And ooh. Okay, let's go see what we got. Girl. I hope we get cinnamon roll because we have 3 more, and that's the only one we need. Okay, let's go. Yellow one. I'm gonna do that all at the same time. 1 and yellow. Okay, so Kuromi. It's cute Kuromi item. The next blue one is Pacheco. Last one. Oh, it's cinnamon roll fans. Kuromi. Slay. Kuromi. Slay. Unfortunately, we didn't got cinnamon roll, but oh well. Bye bye, guys. See you to the next episode.